the one that's like my oh fuck, my normal profile picture, like on regular everyday Discord, is matching with him.
I see. Yes, yes. I
Yeah.
do recall. Whoopsies. Oh, okay, good. Good spot, good spot.
You can suck my dick from the back. Make my ass so club. uh,
Oops. Way up. Here I am. That's what I get for texting.
that's what you get.
Ugh. Not gonna get the slurp.
Wait, where even are you?
I'm in the
Oh, you're
fields.
kind of far. Yeah, I'm gonna get a slurp. Do you want slurp, Anna? You're leaving too? No one gonna get the slurp but me?
You've had that slurp life, aren't you?
I'm about that slurp life for real. It's all about that slurp. About that slurp.
Mm.
Oh, look, you're almost here. I'm waiting. I'm waiting. Alright, Anna's fighting something, so I'm gonna go help her. Can y'all drop something other than shotguns, please? Like,
Help!
where are you? Oh my goodness.
Okay, I
Hold up,
don't
hold up,
really
I'm
need
coming.
help. I'm coming to you guys. I'm bringing them.
Oh, okay. That's fine. We'll
Beep
fight
bum
them.
beep
We
bum
got
bum
this.
bum. Boom 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 boom.
Beep boop beep boom bam bam. Beep boop
Boom
beep
boom
ba
boom
ba.
boom. Idiot.
Oh, a blue one. Whoa, I dropped the wrong thing.
I killed their one teammate. Hell yeah.
Balloons!
Well, ooh, take me to that. I want to get the tracker. Thank you. Oh, medallion team. Careful. We're not as fast as you, Anna.
Ah! Help, help, there's someone on me.
Where?
Oh my god! 2 people on me, I'm gonna die. Where this chest is at.
Bitch.
Bitches. I'm getting my shit back. And their shit. I'm taking their shit too. Fuck them. Thank you.
Yep, yep. Careful, Anna. There's 2 of them there.
I'm just shielding up.
Oh, she already got him. Ain't no thing but a chicken wing.
Okay, here I come then. Oh, there's a. If you come back over this way, there's a med kit, Anna.
Ugh.
I'm back. Oh, my gun. My gun. Give me my gun.
And your balloons are right next to it, too.
I want more balloons, too. You already know. I'm all alone. There's no one here beside me. But you gotta have friends.
Stop
Donkey,
singing.
stop singing! Yeah. Yeah. I love me some Shrek. Nuh-uh, they're not there.
Oh, they're above, too.
Nuh-uh.
Yeah. How pissed would you be if you're like, they're over here, nuh-uh, and you get knocked?
There's people over here.
Nuh-uh.
No. No, I lied to you. No, there's no one. No. Yeah, bitch, run away. And you know what? Matter of fact, you can't even run away from me because you know why? I got balloons, bitch. Oh, fuck, I didn't want to do that. There's people on island.
Nuh-uh.
Nuh-uh. There's nobody on island.
I was
Actually,
literally
I
on
lied.
them.
Oh, were you really?
Yeah, there are people, you're right.
There was someone else over here. I don't know where he went. His
Anna's
car's right here.
chasing somebody. Should we go help chase? Yes.
Probably.
Coming.
You know me, I got my balloons in my fists.
These are bots.
Fuck. Oh, I'm going the wrong way. My bad. Ooh, blue chest.
She's chasing that other person hard. Okay, I'm coming.
Wow. Thanks, Fortnite.
Ooh, S chest though.
Yeah. Oh! Oh! Oh!
On us?
Behind! Behind! Behind!
They blew your bubble. I heard
They
that.
blew my bubble! They blew my bubble right out. Them fucking bitch ass motherfucker. Bitch ass bitches. Fucking bitches.
Damn.
I got her.
Okay, I'm running. Or am I?
No.
Two teams will collide.
There's still a bunch of shit over here in this S chest, though, by the way. There's a cape. I dropped my blue spire. There's a gold DMR. There's some balloons, some shields. Oh, she's just going to fight. Okay. You do you, boo. You do you. Better than me. I'm late to the party, y'all, but I'm here.
Help! Not help. I'm good.
Gold spire over here on me.
I have 1 HP.
I'm gonna kill their bot.
Y'all need to heal. I'm sorry, BRB. Don't judge. I'm still healing up. I need to find more heals. I'm sorry.
You're good. I gotta leave too.
We can get out somewhere else.
Yeah, right after I kill this bitch.
Did you kill them?
No, not yet.
I'm coming. I'm coming to you.
I'm just gonna reload my spire. They're swimming away from me. I can't do it with my fucking... It's a bot.
Damn it.
Does he have medkits?
Yeah, I saw
Do you need
medkit
one?
drop.
Okay.
I'm gonna go get her over here.
Okay. Oh, she left.
Uh-oh. No, I bought her card too. She probably crashed. Well.
We got this. There's someone on this bridge. Just shockwaved. Okay, fucking bitch. Rebooting, rebooting. Oh, there's someone on island. I don't know. I don't know where there's someone.
He just rifted. Yeah, she crashed. Right there, there's a guy. Bot. Team right here.
Car.
Let's go above. Can you get above,
Fuck.
Bailey?
Yeah.
Okay.
Someone with some balloons up above. Oh, he knocked.
In the freaking.
Fuck.
Yeah.
Fuck.
Somebody else shot at him. Island. Right or no?
No, right here.
Someone else is shooting me.
It's top of the thing.
Oh, I see. Who else is shooting him?
There's someone over here too.
Down here again? Can you ping?
Ping what? Oh,
Like-
yeah.
Damn. Okay, we need to get you heals.
Yeah, I need heals.
Oh, I see.
Right here. You just took zipline. Someone's rebooting, but I'm not even worried about that
Yeah.
right now.
Let me look at this guy's dead body.
Oh, I see him. He's going down in here.
There's...
I just got pinged. Fuck me. Oh, I just cracked a guy.
Okay, Bailey, I'm gonna try to get to you. But there's like people above. I'm just gonna start shooting so that they don't see you.
I'm just kind of trying to like play it as safe as I can.
Fuck, dude.
Fuck!
Get a life, man. I'm going up here. Fuck, man.
I'm going to island. Fuck. Fuck.
Oh my god. Bailey, keep coming, keep coming. Come down here if you can.
You're down below?
Down, down. See if there's any heals right here. Right here, right here.
There's some chests behind you too. Oh, and the fireplace. Fuck yeah. Or campfire, whatever.
I might go up here. Actually, no. They're
Someone's flying
behind
in.
here. It's okay, they're flying over there. Above, though.
They see me.
Nice.
Bitch.
Thirsted. Those, did you? Oh, you don't have those very low. Okay, we'll wait here and come up here.
Yeah, those were mine. I just switched them. There's someone coming.
Where? Can you ping?
Upping.
Bitch. Better run.
Is Anna watching us?
Yeah, I think so. Are you able to ping again? I see.
He's cracked.
Oh, we're pinched. Let's see if we can go
Yeah.
up. Behind us. Knocked him.
Please. Oh my god. Stupid fucking game. I can't.
Can you ping?
Yeah.
There they are.
Behind the shop. Knocked one.
Yeah.
GG.
Good shit. Good plays. Uh-oh.
What?
Oh, I am.
Fuck, I'm just dropping my shit. I think my boyfriend's taking a nap. Oh, he's so cute. Oh. You're taking a nappy nap. So cute. What happened?
Oh, I just went to the lobby.
Oh.